What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Bunny Blade back at you on the Visuo. That's the Visuo right there. The remote. We got a little beefed up. We did a little antenna mod. Yeah. And what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna slap this camera right on there. Get an FPV camera, and we have a little 3.7 volts. Actually, this camera is a 5 volts camera, but this 3.7 volts to run it for a little while, long enough for me to do what I'm doing. And I'm gonna be using my EV100. Let's boost it up, put some power in it. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some FPVing. Now, what I'm gonna be seeing out of the glasses is gonna be coming from this camera here. This one here on the top. What you guys gonna be seeing is gonna be coming from the camera from the Visuo, which is a 1080p camera. That's what you guys are gonna be seeing from. I'm gonna be seeing from that one. Alright, well, let's do some FPVing.